in the number 3 series on Why Mallett. Today we'll talk about posts. We use nothing but 6x6 posts, which is a dimensional lumber. Some companies use 5x5 posts. That is not dimensional lumber. You cannot buy a 5x5 at a lumber yard. You cannot buy a 2x6 rough cut at a lumber yard. A 5x5 is a rough cut board, which means it's not true. It can be 4.5, 5, 4 3/4 as you come down the post. Whereas in a 6x6, that post is a true 5.5 inches, 5.5 by 5.5 by 5.5. And it's very important to use dimensional lumber because that's where your strength is. And the other thing is you can't wind load lumber that's not dimensional. We wind load all our buildings. We have to use a dimensional post, which is a 6x6. We use other size posts in other applications, but our standard on the main buildings we build is a 6x6 post. So when buying a building, if someone is offering you 5x5 posts, you need to be concerned. You need a 6x6 post because you cannot wind load that 5x5. Once again, thank you for listening.